Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into the efficient world of tracking your vacation planning tasks using Todoist. First things first, let's start by creating a new project for your vacation. Click on the plus Add Project button on the left sidebar. Name it something like Summer Vacation 2025. The reason we do this is to keep all related tasks grouped together, which makes it easier to manage and track your progress. Now that we've done that, let's add some tasks. Click on the Add Task button and start adding everything you need to do for your vacation. This could be anything from booking flights and hotels to researching tourist attractions. Adding all your tasks in one place helps you to not miss out on any important to-dos and keeps you organized. Next up, let's set due dates for each task. This helps us because it gives us a timeline to work within and ensures we complete all tasks before the vacation starts. Click on the task, then click on the Schedule button and select a date. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Todoist is now automatically organizing your tasks according to their due dates. This means you'll always know what needs to be done next, keeping your planning process efficient and stress-free. Let me explain why this matters. By setting due dates, you're not just organizing your tasks, you're also setting up a roadmap for your preparation. Each task and its due date act as a stepping stone that leads you towards a fully planned vacation. The next step is to prioritize your tasks. Tasks can be prioritized into 4 levels in Todoist, with P1 being the highest and P4 the lowest. Click on the task, then click on the Priority button and select a level. Prioritizing helps us to focus on what's most important and needs to be done first, ensuring that vital tasks don't get left till the last minute. Finally, as you complete each task, make sure to check it off in Todoist. This helps us because it gives a clear visual representation of our progress, keeping us motivated and on track. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effectively track and manage your vacation planning tasks in Todoist. Remember, the key is to stay organized and keep your tasks prioritized and scheduled. Thanks for joining me today and happy planning.